Hi, boys and girls. Going to do a little math today called plus 1. We know that when we add 1 to any number, it's the next number you would say if you were counting. Well, today we're going to use this worksheet, Roll and Add. It is in your kit. You will need one die. It should be in your toolkit. You will need a pencil, because we always write our letters and our numbers with a pencil. And you will need one crayon, not all kinds of crayons. Pick one that you would choose to use. I am going to choose red today. So I have all my materials down here. Now I'm going to flip this so that you can see it better. And what we're going to do is the first thing you do is you roll your dice. And what number did I get? 3, that's right. So I'm going to write the number 3 on the lines the best way I can. And I'm going to color 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. And this is a 10 frame, so we will color them on the top. Okay? I don't want you to mix them all up. I want you to do it in order. And then we have to figure it out. 3 plus 1 more, equals how many? Very good. So you will do 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4. You're going to continue that all the way down. You will roll the dice. Oops, if you get another 3, don't do it again. Roll again. Ooh, this time what did I get? Now, boys and girls, when you roll your die, I want you to be brave. Be brave and say, that's 5. If you're not sure, it's okay to check it afterwards, but be brave and try. 3. Ooh, 3 on one side, 3 on the other. That's 6. 4. Now, parents, if you notice that your children are having trouble identifying these, we've practiced it a lot, get out a game that requires dice. Okay? Dice, cards, all of that is really awesome for children this age. I know there are a lot of computer games out there that say they help with math skills, but play a board game. Go old-fashioned. It's pretty cool. So boys and girls, when you roll the dice, 5 plus 1 equals 6. Very good. And that's what you will color on your paper. All right? This is what I want to see from your parents when they send it to me. Okay? On the back, plus 1 is just like counting. So I want you to take a minute, and I'd like to see you write your numbers. I'd like you to start with number 1 and go all the way to 20. That's enough. If you think that you are just really good at this and you want to keep going, that's fine. But I'd love to see you do it. Now, parents, again, this is something that you can adjust. If you see that your child can get to 5 independently, but then they're saying, what does it look like? How do you do it? You now know that that's something that they need to work on. So if they're good at 5 without looking at any models and they can do that, then show them the models for 6 and 7. That's probably enough for today. All right? And then hopefully when they try this again next time, anytime you feel like doing it works, they will be able to write 1 through 7 independently. And you can add a couple more for practice. If they cannot get through the first 5 numbers, please don't have them write to 20. We want to start solidifying these. Now, if your child gets up to 15 and they need a little help, sure, show them 16 and 17, and that's wonderful. So we just need to keep taking it one step further, giving them that little nudge is all it's going to take. All right, so write your numbers best you can. If you can get to 20, woohoo! If you can get to 6, woohoo! But always try to go a little further than is comfortable. Be brave. You can do this. All right? Now, I thought we would try something a little different. That's the work you're going to do. This is just practice, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out my cubes, okay? Now, I think that you guys each have 10 cubes. I think everybody was given them. So, what I'm going to do is have you take them apart. All right, so you'll just have 10 cubes in front of you. All right. Now, remember the cards we were practicing in. Remember the cards go in a certain order? Okay, so if we were to make the 2 card with the cubes, what would it look like? See how I made the 2 card? Let's imagine. You don't have to draw a card on here, but I will just to show you. We're imagining the card that we've worked on. There's 2. Parents, if this helps, that's fine. They can do that as well, 2. Now, ready? Can you change 2 to 4? Two on this side, 2 on this side. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Did you get it? Okay, ready? Can you change it to 6? I'm not taking these off. I'm just moving them. And then I didn't have 6 all the same color, but it doesn't matter, right? 3 on this side, 3 on this side. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Good job. Can you change it to 3? That's right. 3 right down the middle. Can you make 5? Those are all the patterns of the dice. So ready? Take your dice. Here we go. On the dice, it does go diagonal, but still works. How fast can we do it? Did you match it? Cool. Oh, still 5. 2. This will help it to become automatic. Still 2. 6. Oh my goodness. And you know what's fun? Get a partner. See who can do it the fastest. You've got 2 dice. You might have to use something different. Remember I gave you those little tiny cubes as well? You could give each person 6 cubes and see how fast they could do it. They should know this dice really easily. They should be able to identify it 6, identify it 3, identify it 1 very, very quickly. If this is super easy for your child, go right ahead and get out the number cards. You can do this. Remember the number cards I gave you? These go all the way up. Maybe they can match those. So what we want to do is we want this to be automatic. Okay? You do not have to show me the cube work. That was something we tried together. It's something to do when you have free time. This is the paper I want to see. If you have a little extra time, I'd love to see how high you can write your numbers. Have fun with math, boys and girls.